The complete process: renewing your Texas driver's license online. Renewing your Texas driver's license online can be a straightforward process if you follow the steps carefully. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the entire process. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before you begin the online renewal process, ensure that you meet the following eligibility criteria. Your current Texas driver's license is valid, not expired for more than 2 years. You are a U.S. citizen. Your Social Security number, SSN, is on file with the Texas Department of Public Safety or DPS. You are at least 18 years old and your license is a Class C, M, or CM. Your vision and physical condition have not changed, and you do not have any new medical conditions that may affect your ability to drive. You are not renewing a commercial driver's license or CDL. You have not renewed your driver's license online in the last 2 renewal cycles. You have a printer to print the temporary driver's license receipt. Step 2. Gather required information. Ensure you have the following information and documents ready: your current Texas driver's license, the last 4 digits of your Social Security number or SSN, a valid credit card, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or American Express for payment, a printer to print out your temporary driver's license. Step 3. Access the Texas DPS online services. Visit the Texas Department of Public Safety's online services website, Texas DPS Online Services. Step 4. Start the renewal process. Click on the Renew Driver's License option. Log in using the driver's license number, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your SSN. Step 5. Complete the online form. Verify your personal information and update any changes if necessary. Answer the eligibility questions to confirm you meet all the requirements for online renewal. Step 6. Pay the renewal fee. The fee for renewing a driver's license in Texas varies based on your age and the type of license you hold. The fee will be displayed on the screen. Enter your credit card information to pay the renewal fee. Make sure your billing information matches the address on file. Step 7. Print your temporary license. After payment, you will receive a confirmation screen. Print the temporary driver's license receipt. This receipt is valid for 45 days and will serve as your proof of renewal until you receive your new license in the mail. Step 8. Receive your new driver's license. Your new Texas driver's license will be mailed to the address on file within 2 to 3 weeks. Ensure your address is up to date to avoid any delays. Tips and reminders: double-check all entered information for accuracy before submitting. If you encounter any issues during the online process, you can contact Texas DPS Customer Service for assistance. Keep your printed temporary license with you while driving until you receive your new license. By following these steps, you can successfully renew your Texas driver's license online without the need to visit a DPS office in person. And that wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for joining me on this magical journey. Remember, magic isn't just in fairy tales, it is all around us. It is in the little things, the moments of kindness, and the sparks of creativity we share every day. As J.K. Rowling said, we do not need magic to change the world. We carry all the power we need inside ourselves already. We have the power to imagine better. So go out there and use your inner magic to make someone's day a little brighter. Believe in yourself, stay positive, and keep spreading the wonderful energy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more uplifting content. Let us keep this magical community growing. Sending you all my love and positive vibes. Next time, keep shining and remember, you are capable of amazing things. Stay magical, everyone. See you in the next video.